Okay, so you can see that big valley down in there, and it's pretty deep. So what do we do? How do I get around this and make sure I keep my pace count, especially if it's at night and you can only see that tree, or you're just going strictly by your pace count and your compass heading? Here's what you do. I'm gonna lift this up. Okay, so this valley runs from left to right. My tree, obviously, is over there across that valley. So what do? I make a 90-degree angle adjustment. So I'm facing that way. Now I'm going to turn 90 degrees to my compass bearing, and I'm going to go that way, and I'm going to count how many paces that I went. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I did 10 paces at a 90-degree angle to my right. Now I look back, there's the valley over there, but look what I have right here in front of me. Nice straight line, okay? So I get back on my compass bearing, and I can use my same compass bearing. I just went 10 paces to the right. I count, go across, I restart my recount of my pace, whatever that may be, because I'm talking to you. And we're going through, there's that valley over to the left. Once I get past that valley, enough clearance. Okay, so this is where I went here. Now I'm past that valley, you can see it. Now I'm going to make a correction back to the left, and I'm going to go 10 paces to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now let's see where we ended up. Now we're back on our original compass line, or azimuth, that we were shooting from the very beginning. We had to go around an obstacle. Where are we at? Oh, there's the tree. There's the big tree. Now I just count on my paces to that tree. From the very beginning, I add them on, and now we're at our tree. So we're at the end of leg 2, and that is I hope, a simple way of showing you how to do a compass. So that's how you do a compass reading. I hope that showed you. I hope you're able to see that, especially with our footage up in the sky, the eye in the sky, and you get to point A to point B, how to go around the obstacle, how to navigate, how to use your pace count. Pace count is so important. That's the very first thing I teach everybody when they come out, because that gives you your distances. And you saw how important that came to whenever you had to go around an obstacle. If it was pitch black out, and all you had was your flashlight and you came to that obstacle, then your pace count, going left or right, whatever it may be, is paramount, because that gives you your distance. You come up, you go back around, and you get back on your line, your bearing, your azimuth, the line that you're wanting to go at. So that wraps up our out in the woods type video of how to use the compass. We did our classroom, and I'm sure I missed probably a half a dozen things. But whenever you're trying to put this all together by yourself, it makes it kind of difficult. And let me know in the comment section if there's something else you'd like to see about the compass and how that works. So everybody hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get this out there, because there's a lot of people that do not know how to do this. Most of your backpackers and your hikers, they do have a little bit of an idea how to do this, but 99.99% of the population doesn't. All right, so thank you. God bless. Hit the like and subscribe. Go out and crush it, everybody. Bye.